What's good, guys? It's EBFX and you're welcome back to my channel. So finally, we have another trade on USDJPY or another setup. So this is a setup that I just spotted this morning, and as you can see, the market is in an uptrend. So as for the direction, we have the buy as our bias. So then looking at it further, you see that down here we got liquidity taken, and then there's a break of structure to the upside here. So the next thing now is the liquidity or inducement, whatever you want to call it, that has formed at this region. So now I'm waiting for price to come back and tap into this area for a buy, and that is the trade I want to show you guys on USDJPY. So this is a potential 125 as you can see. So you can be risking $1,000 on this, and then you will make $5,000. This is a very high probability trade, and I'm very excited, and I can't wait for it to trigger. So see you guys in the next one.